Hi friends, welcome to Civil Cube. I am Mohammed Said. Today we are going to see about how to make an arc by using arc panel objects. An arc panel consists of different types of method to make an arc. The first method is 3-point method. Click this 3-point. By using 3 points, we can make our arc very easily. Click first point, then move a cursor, then specify your next point. Again click your third point. So this is an arc by using 3-point method. The next method is start, center, end. If you want to create an arc by from this point to this point, you need to start from this, because in AutoCAD an angle will always be measured from anti-clock. So if you want to make an arc from this point to this point, you need to start from here. Click your start point, move a cursor to a center point, then click your end point. Again, if you want to make an arc outside of this two line, click this start, center, end. But now you start from this point, start, center, end. So this is the two different types to make an arc inside or outside by using start, center, end. The next method is start, center, angle. In this method, you need to start anywhere else, move, then specify center and specify angle of arc. Here I put 130 degree as an angle of arc. Press enter. So this is a arc have an angle of included angle of 130 degree. To see that angle, first you need to connect start to center and center to end. Then by using annotation, angular, click this one and this one. So this is an arc have an angle of 130 degree. The next method is start, center, length. Here a length represents a chord length of arc. Start, center, and move a cursor, type the chord length of arc 40 feet per center. So this is an arc have a chord length of 40 feet. To see, click align, click this start to end point, then move. So this is an arc have a chord length of 40 feet. The next method is start, end, angle. This is also same like a start, center, angle. Click this start and end, move cursor to specify your angle 90 degree, press center. So this is the start, end, and have an angle of 90 degree. Before going to next method, first we make a two line. The next method is start, end, direction. Start point, end point, and move a cursor to which direction you want to make an arc. And also you can specify angle of arc. Here I put a 0 degree, press enter. So this is an arc have an angle of 0 degree. Next, start, end, radius. This is also same as previous one, but small difference is here you specify a radius of arc. Here I put a radius as 10 feet, press enter. So this is an arc have a radius of 10 feet. Before going next method, here I make a small arc. The last method is continue. This is a very special one because if you click this, a new arc create from previous line or previous arc. If you click this continue, a new arc created from a last arc. You may click anywhere else to make an arc. Again, if you click this continue, it will continue from last arc. By using this continue method, you may create a continuous arc to make a special drawing. So this is the method to make a different types of arc by using arc panel object. In our next video, we will see how to make a rectangle and polygon shapes by using rectangle object. Thank you.